Hey everybody, this is Joe again from Digital Wood Products. I just want to give you a quick demo here on people that like to use phantom parts to add shelf clip holes on the side of the cabinet. So I want to show you a trick that I've been using in which you don't have to use a phantom part. Actually, the only time you really have to use a phantom part is when you want shelf clip holes that are on like an angle, right? So if the surface is perpendicular or parallel, I guess, to another surface, right? So I added another face here, just kind of moved it over 6 inches. And I know the rest of the cabinet's wrong, but that's outside of the scope of this video. So what we want to do is we want to try and get shelf pin holes on this panel, right? So typically what most people do is they'll add a phantom part in here and they'll add the associated machining and deduct the material, blah, blah, blah. But you don't have to do it. So let me just take a peek in the plan. Okay, so this here is our shelf. Let me just change that color. Okay, so now you can see that I just moved, created another end, moved it over 6 inches, and then shortened this one up and shortened that one. So you can see it's kind of making a little box out here, right? So now if I want to put shelf pins here, I'm just going to modify my original shelving unit, okay, here. All right, so what I did is I copied the right line bore, which is used to do the line boring here, and previously it was back here too. Okay, so that copy is living right down here. Okay, and you can see shelf clip gap here. It just says shelf clip gap line bore, which is normal. Okay, so now to get it on this other face, right? Let me kill that for a minute. What we want to do is put in the number from here to there, okay? So from the edge of the shelf to the face of that panel where it's going to live now, okay? So right now it's 5 15/16. Okay, so let's get back into our subassembly. Okay, we'll go down to our token, and inside the shelf clip gap, since I moved it 6 inches, I'm going to go 6 minus the gap, and then I'm going to make it a negative number since we're going the other way. And you can see that's 5 15/16, exactly what we had here. So now if I save this, and I'm just going to save it as row level. And it's done. And there you go. So no phantom part required. All you have to do is change the shelf clip gap to a negative. So again, that's from the edge of the shelf to that face of the panel. That's the measurement you're putting in there as a negative number. All right. So that should save everybody a lot of grief.